Welcome back to another episode of the Young Hustlers Blueprint podcast. Today I'm going to talk about how I stopped waking up like a zombie and finally got my focus back. I'll be honest, for the longest time I thought I just wasn't a morning person. I'd stay up till like 1 or 2 a.m. scrolling or working, then drag myself out of bed at 7:40, even later. Half asleep, rushing around, skipping breakfast, leaving the house feeling drained and distracted before the day even started. And I wondered why I couldn't focus. That wasn't bad luck. Here's what I changed. I now aim to sleep by midnight, no later. Yeah, it's only about 6 hours of sleep, but surprisingly, it works for me. I prepare everything the night before. I've got my porridge packet, bowl, honey and a spoon already on the counter. My clothes are ready to go. The bag is packed and by the door. When I wake up at 6:50, I don't feel rushed at all. In fact, I have enough time to eat breakfast, something I'd been skipping for years. It's been ages since I've actually had a nice breakfast properly. So I have enough time to have my breakfast. I've got no more brain fog because of an empty stomach. And the best part is, most mornings now I even have time to read or listen to my audiobook. So now I get smarter as well and don't just waste time going on my phone in the mornings. Usually I'll listen because I like to multitask. That calm morning routine was the domino that kicked everything into place. Next up is the 2-task rule. Once I fixed my mornings, I realized I didn't need a crazy long to-do list either. Every morning now I pick just 2 key tasks for the day. Only 2, that's it. These are my non-negotiables. Anything else is just bonus points. The reason I do it is because then if I just fill my to-do list with a bunch of tasks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I'm just going to get overwhelmed. I'm going to end up scrolling on TikTok. I'm just going to end up getting distracted and not get anything done. I know that if I do 2 tasks only, I'll be focused and I'll get each done and it will take me the whole day. If it takes me less than the whole day, then I'll add another task on. But I won't just keep adding and keep adding. If I've done at least 3, I'll stop and I'll call it a day. That's basically what I'm doing now to make sure I don't waste any time in the morning and that I become a better version of myself every single day. Now, what I want you to do is try this tonight. Prepare everything for tomorrow. Yes, even your breakfast. Number 2, choose your 2 most important tasks for the day ahead. And then watch. In a week or 2, you'll be amazed how smooth your mornings feel and how much sharper your focus gets. Thank you for listening. Speak soon.